Hi, what's up guys? Elric Garrault here, and this is the this is bright as fuck. This is the second episode of the Journal de Bord episode series, Journal de Bord series. And yeah, so I brought with me a big flashlight, an LED flashlight, and I'm back in the woods, the forest, and I'm testing some materials I used and grabbed since a while, but I think this is pretty cool because it got a bigger range of light. You know, you can see much further in the environment, and I was thinking about it because I'm going to use for special videos, especially I'm going to do in a few weeks, like the Halloween video, and I was seeking for this kind of equipment, and I just found it back within my stuff. So I would like, I wanted to test it out this evening, and it reminds me of another project I'm planning to do. So I'm making a little video about it, about the test itself, but also by the use of this light. And I got two of them basically. This is some LED light, like you can see, pretty cool, powerful, and I got, wait a minute, a little switch here. A little switch, you can lower down the power of it. So like you can see, this is more suitable just for light, making light for my face. Like you can see, much better. But you can also change the mode with this button. So basically it will change the light kind, like you can see. I don't know if you can see that here. I have the light on my face and I can't see nothing. So this is kind of funny. I'm going just to light thing up. Yes, wait. Yep. Okay, that's good. And yeah. For any explanation, I'm going to go to a place, a different place for urbex, for some urbex, and for example, this is the tree cooling camp. Pretty sure it's the name of it, and I would like to go to this place because I never really do an urbex in my life, and just from recently, from the recent events and the Lil'talk project expedition I've made, excursion to be precise, I'm starting to be yeah, you know, in the mood when I'm outside in the full dark night. Starting to be nothing really threatening, nothing really scary, just night, you know. There could be monsters, there could be criminals. That's the main reason why I'm grabbing with me some weapon, as a knife also, but I am a weapon. I don't know if you can see it's still difficult on camera. It's the main reason why I'm testing this, is to see if you can see everything. And it seems, yeah, you can see well. I will see when I will do the montage of the video. And yeah, if you get any spot for the French people, any advice for you know, urbex and stuff, any equipment I should grab with me, I will be really thankful, really thankful. And yeah, as long as I wanted to tell you, especially for the format of this series, it depends of the it depends for the format itself. I can do some long video to really shorten one and shorty one. It depends of my mood, it depends of the subject. And today I just wanted to test out my equipment, talking a little bit about the urbex in general, and yeah, I'll try to just go through this. Just for your information, this is the same place I used to go when I did the first episode of the Journal de Bord series. So the first episode, this is the same place but at night. So this is not a park like Fontainebleau, or natural places like Fontainebleau. This is more of a big city forest, a big city park. There's a lot of people coming this way every day, basically. So this is not a really hidden place. I'm pretty sure there's hundreds of people taking this kind of roads of path every day to just walk out, you know, to hang out with their dog and stuff, wandering around, and yeah, so pretty cool. Yes, that was what I wanted to talk about. Nothing really important, nothing really big. You can see if I can do focus here. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, and for my defense, it works really fine. I'm really happy with the result and the power of this shit, and not just for the power of the light itself. I wanted to know, because I got two of them. I wanted to know if it was really as powerful as I wanted, and for the battery I'm using, I wanted to know if it consumed much, and how much basically it consumed energy to let the thing works. And I think by far this is the most important part within it, because I got some batteries with me. I got a few ones, but I'm not pretty sure if it's suitable for an urbex, basically, because an urbex we need especially a high amount of you know, batteries for lightning and stuff. So knowing that, in the future I might want to get a few more batteries and stuff. So when I get back to the car, I'll see by myself. And yeah, talking about equipment, I got a proposition recently from a friend of mine to get a few more cameras and equipment related to the GoPro. So that's a good news, because when I will get in a pretty good situation, I will see with my next revenue, you know, my next pay, I will see from what I get, and I will probably purchase furthermore equipment for different kind of videos, rather than just expedition itself, but especially some few equipment related to the fixation of cameras, because I got few interesting stuff I got at home, and I currently cannot use them because of my fixation. So nothing really important, nothing really big, but you know, this kind of equipment is pretty cool, but I would like to get some flexible arm for my camera, so I can put them in any kind of environment, any kind of platform, without being able to do anything. So that's a good point. And secondly, I would like to get for my shoulder, a flexible arm for my shoulder, so you will get constantly in different kind of videos. It depends of what I want to film, but you will get constantly a kind of this point of view. You will be able to see my face in any condition. So that's great. That's really great. And as long with it, if I can film me that's the tree creaking. I was just a bit surprised, but if I can get a point of view directly on my face constantly, that will be great for urbex, or to meet people when I do some vacation, when I go to some vacation, to be able to talk to people. I think this is really decent. So yeah, I might getting used to this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just taking back to the first location when I was, because there's a spot, I don't know if you can see it right there, but a little bit, a little house, and I will leave you today for today's video. So yeah, well, that was it, guys. I hope you can share with me in the commentary section any advice about urbex, because I just wanted to do some with my friends. And if you get any decent equipment to relate, to share with us, it will be great. It will be great. So yeah, that was Elric Garrault. This is not the spooky Halloween video, not yet. And see you later. Bye.